What's up, you guys? We got Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today. Coming at you with a review on the DFY Hero Deluxe website in a box. Here to give you an honest review, show you how you can use it to make money online. It's a complete one push of a button and the website set up. No hosting, no nothing. There's 100 plus templates on it. I'll walk you through everything you need to know about it. And on this, you even get my 3 special bonuses, which you'll find out about at the end of the video. So, the only way you get the bonuses, though, is if you buy through my link. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's see. I think it's this one. Yeah, okay. This is basically, as you see, the cart's open on July 1st at 9 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. So like I told you, there's over 100 DFY sales, website sales pages, squeeze pages, e-commerce stores, and blogs. They can simply activate, edit, even sell to their clients for a huge profit. I'll show you how to do this too, without paying a dime on hosting or needing a domain. This is all set up within the DFY Hero Deluxe. It's what the sales page, complete package with instant pre-built money making assets. Here we go. DFY Hero is a SAS platform with over 100 completely done for you websites, squeeze pages, e-com stores, blogs that members can import, edit, even sell to their clients or use for themselves. Subscribers will be able to use a website they want, click a button, automatically activate it. Entirely populated websites, for local business owners, contact pages, about us pages, the whole 9 yards. It's integrated with WooCommerce for e-commerce. You know, it's kind of like the sister site to Shopify, if you don't know. Lead capture page reports, download pages, and more. There's 100 alternatives for easy click and activate. No hosting or even domain name needed. It's created to help struggling newbies quickly get started online selling website services to their clients, or help them quickly import, edit, and publish their own business websites, squeeze pages, blogs, etc., without needing to spend a hosting account. And me personally, I use Bluehost, so trust me, that can save you money. And this is what their websites look like whenever they're made. I'll pull this one up and let you see it. This is what they call the Florist Business DFY. I just clicked on one I didn't know what it'd be. We click Beauty and Passion. Come on. You know, this is what you would send out to your client, or if that happened to be. Here's subscription service and home design. Even gives you your what are them reviews, seasonal specials. You know, it's everything done in a box with a click of a button. So let me show you how you would sell something like this and how much money could be made with it. You would go over here, say Fiverr, graphic design, I think would be, I don't know, let's do this. Web site. Design. Go with WordPress. So you can see how much money could be made doing this, because these can be put on a WordPress site with no problem. Starting at 150, 100, 160, 95, 225. As you can see, you can make good money with this. Even at $30 for, you know, these are exactly what you would want to go in and do is make a Fiverr account and sell them. But okay, you say, well, I don't know anything about it. That's fine. Let me show you the dashboard on this. As you see, this is DFY Hero. You have here, this is the actual dashboard of the, you know, they got a Facebook community bonuses, limits, quotes. What you do though, you go over here to sites. Come on. Oh, that's what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to click add new site. Thought it'd come out and pop up on the side, but I'll show you all that in a minute. Once it loads. Okay. Add new site. Here you got all these that you could use. What you would do here is say, let's use this personal portfolio DFY. Well, maybe not, because I don't look like it's got a whole lot. Let's say you was doing it for a digital agency. Select template. And what it'll do, it'll pull it up. You create your own domain name. Let's say, let's just call it test. Just cause it's easy. And there again, we're going to call this test. Add site. And whenever it comes up, okay, go back. Here again, let's try this one. Fitness for the masses. Oh, I know what it was because I put that space in it. Okay. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but anyway, since the cart's not open yet, it may not allow me to do it, but it did earlier. I don't know what's going on. Let's try one more time. But let's go to view template, that way you can see what it does. It'd bring it up like this, and you can give it to your customer. You can sell it to your customer, everything. I'll go ahead and tell you, I'm not the best person in the world to do this because it ain't really my thing. I generally buy pre-made sites or whatever else. Well, this thing's taking forever and a day to load. But this is what you would get. If I had more time to play with it, I'm sure I could figure out more. You know, this is basically a subscription site, what this would be. Branding strategy, graphic design, web design. You know, it is what it is. See if I go up here. Maybe that's what I did last time. Hit use template up here. That brought me back here. Hit select. Lowercase only. Okay, call it great site. And call this test. Add site. There you go. Now it's coming up right. I guess because I didn't do something. Something still didn't come up right. Oh, down here they are. Ah, okay. So you go to the dashboard of this one. That's my fault. And then you come over here to my posts. You can add new posts, categories, media library. Of course, you can add pages, blog comments, eliminator. Here you can do custom fonts and everything, template. You can customize the themes, the background, the widgets, the menus, the plugins, users, site tools. You can delete a site, export, import. Of course, if you export, you're selling it to whoever on Fiverr. And, you know, it is what it is there. It's definitely a way to make money. As far as my bonuses go, you get the frugal multiplier, which is a $97 value. You get the secret weapon access, which is a $97 value, and then you get the 90% off your AdWords spend, which is almost priceless. I mean, if you can get 90% off your AdWords spend, it's almost free. I mean, think about it. If you get penny traffic, it drops it down to a tenth of a penny. I mean, you can get 10 people for what it costs you to get one. So, you know, but it's a $57 value if you buy it separately. They are things to think about, and I'll open them up and let you see what they are. As you see, you come down here and you click on these links here. Let it load. The frugal multiplier is a course that helps you figure out how to use everything. Go down here and log in. Yes, I already have an account because it's my bonus, obviously. But it's a buddy of mine, you know, that walks you through all of it. And let it come up. You have the workshop, you got the overview, video, outsourcing videos, how to use ads, how to set up the ads, creations, landing pages. It walks you through everything that you would need. This is the secret weapons. I don't know if I actually filled this one out or not. I don't remember. Let me see. I think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay. And here again, you've got another tools of the trade, picking the right offer. You know, this is all about YouTube and niches and free traffic from Facebook, solo ads. This is another complete course, which I told you at least $97 worth. And here you got extra bonuses. And this right here is the give me this one. Oh, this is the 90% off the Armstrong. The 90% off your AdWords spend. And you see there's even more up here besides that. So it's worth at least what the price of the DFY is. And just so you know, the DFY will be 47, I think. Let me double check. I know it's going to change as promotion goes. Yeah, it's going to be until the 8th, I believe. The front end is $21.97 or $21.95, and then after the launch, it'll be $47. So if you get in early, you get a discount, and then you get this is your first upsell, which is the agency license. The second one is the template club, which is a $17 a month, which gives you 10 templates every month. The agency license lets you create sub accounts, full blown training by the creators. And then if you go with the upsell on number 3, which I think the 97 is just during the launch, but it gives you, as an owner, you can sell the product as your own instead of just being an affiliate like I'm doing right now. If I wanted to buy the resale rights, I could buy it, rename it, and call it whatever, and sell it again. So, as you can see, it's a very good course. I believe it'll be worth your time and effort to do what you got to do with this. But if y'all don't want to try to sell this on Fiverr, or don't want to do your own thing with it, check out the first link in my description. You can learn to make 100 to who knows how much a day, because they teach you how to build an online business, not just get a little traffic here and make a little money, but a complete online business. But until tomorrow, we'll talk to you later.